Hello everyone and welcome to this Victory Forge short in which I'm going to tell you a bit about my time at Des Moines Con 2024 at the Iowa Event Center in Des Moines, Iowa. After weirding out the normies on the walk over to the con, we perused all that it had to offer. I cursed all of the rebel scum that I came across. I gathered some intelligence for the Empire and stood guard duty for a time. We got to see quite a few celebrities, including the Blues Clues guys, some Power Rangers, Baylon Skoll, and Johnny Rico himself, Casper Van Dien of Starship Troopers. We also took the obligatory escalator video, but the best part of the con was meeting one of my favorite authors, Timothy Zahn. He joked and talked with everyone, took pictures and signed books for free, and I was even featured on his social media. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on The Victory Forge.